In past videos, we have created the muscles, we have set up the muscles for the forearm, and we have created 4 main sensors for the extension, flexion, pronation, and supination of the wrist. It's now time to connect those sensors to the actual muscles. So let's begin. I'm going to help myself through this process by opening the connection editor here. And so I'm going to work on the extensor carpi longus. As the name suggests, this muscle is mainly involved in the extension of the wrist. So I'm going to load the muscle to the right, and I'm going to load the extension sensor to the left here, and I'm going to connect the activation distance to the activation. Let's move to the next muscle, which is extensors carpi brevis, and again, very similar behavior. Then we have the extensor digitorium, which is involved in the extension of the wrist, but also the extension of the medial fingers. So let's reload and connect. Then we have the extensor carpi ulnaris. Again, this is mainly involved in the extension of the wrist. So let's connect it. Then let's jump to palmaris longus, and we need to load the flexion sensor this time around and connect it to these, sorry, I have to pick up, where are you? Palmaris longus, muscle here. So this will be the activation. And then we're going to look at this other muscle that is the brachioradialis, which is involved in the flexion. Even if it's coming from above the wrist, as it seems, it's actually involved into flexing the wrist. So we're going to still use the flexion sensor, update the muscle here for the brachioradialis, and make the connection. We also have to involve this muscle group here into the flexion. Here it goes. Oh, okay. I already connected it before. Sorry, I might not realize that. And here we have the pronator teres, which is involved in the pronation of the wrist. So let's select this sensor and let's do it. Activation distance, and here let's make, sorry, this one. Pronator teres, and make the connection. So let's have a look at what will happen here. It's definitely being activated. Okay, so we connected basically the main actions of the wrist to our forearm muscles, and now it's time to work on the secondary activations, which will be actually the flexing of the arm, pronation, abduction and adduction of the wrist. Just for clarification, when we're talking about abduction, we're talking about this behavior of the wrist, while adduction is this behavior of the wrist. So in the next video, we're going to first get the involvement of the flexion of the arm, and then we will also work on adduction and abduction.